So let me show you how to read and use the symbol advisor panel. So when we are having here at trend, so you'll either find we are having bullish or bearish. So let's say this one is for gold. I'm looking at this buy we are having here. So already up 19 pips. So when we are having bullish, so we are expected to have we are supposed to look for buy signals when we are having a bullish. So when we are having bearish, so let's look at this sell order. So you look at the information for that sell order. When we are having bearish, you want to take in sells. When we are having neutral, that means that there is no clear direction and we should wait for a breakout. So another thing you should see that we are having this pattern status. So pattern status, it can be either in scanning. When we are having it scanning, that means that there is no pattern yet. When it's in accumulation, it means that there is a range forming. And when it's in distribution, just as it is right now, that means it's ready for an entry. That's where we have been given an entry. And when it's in manipulation, it means that a liquidity grab for that instrument has been detected. And you look at here, we also have the phase. So this is the market phase. So under the market phase, it can be either volatile. When it's in volatile, it means that we are having a high movement is expected. When you are seeing such as it is CRT pattern, it means that the market is in a range or manipulation is in progress. And when it will be saying trending means that there's a strong directional move. So I don't know if I can find a sample of that and show you. So let me try and look at it. So that one is in accumulation, that's distribution, that's manipulation. So let me take one that's not active. So distribution. However, other than that, we also have a volume analysis. And in volume analysis, you'll see that when we are having high volume, that means there's strong participation. When the volume is, let's say, above average, so above average, just as this one is above average, means that that's a good confirmation and that trade is okay. Normal volume, that means standard activity is going on, and low volume, that means weak signal, and you can take precaution for that. Also, it's recommended that when you look at here, you'll see that you are having recommendations. So in recommendations, you'll either be told that there's a manual trade is ready. So there's an active signal, and you can enter that trade. So let me show you one where we are having a manual. Yeah, you see now this one we are in cooldown period. So cooldown period is waiting. That means stop loss has been hit. So you have to wait. So another one is this one, manual trade ready, so you can execute the trade at market as it is. Also, if you don't have a setup, you'll be told monitor closely. When told to monitor closely, that means a pattern is developing and you should watch out for signals as it's likely to give you a signal.